Maserati. The name alone conjures images of sleek Italian sports cars roaring down coastal roads. Picture this, the sun setting in the background. Founded in 1914, Maserati is more than just a car company. It's a statement. They represent style, performance, and exclusivity. Maserati is a brand steeped in history, driven by passion. From the beginning, Maserati has been about pushing boundaries to achieve the ultimate in automotive excellence. The company was founded by the Maserati brothers, all of whom were passionate about cars and racing. This passion is still evident in every Maserati built today. Each car is a masterpiece of engineering, a testament to Italian craftsmanship. Maserati has a rich racing heritage and a commitment to innovation that has cemented their place in automotive history. Maserati is a brand that evokes emotion, inspires drivers and enthusiasts alike. It's a legend on four wheels.